Coating Inspector Level 1 NACE-CIP1-001 exam questions are helpful for you to study all the related topics. Share some NACE-CIP1-001 exam questions here. 1. When performing tests for oil and grease using an ultraviolet light, the NACE inspector should be aware that a chloride salt may produce a false positive. B. Synthetic oil or grease may not be identified. C. Ultraviolet light may contaminate the surface. D. Presence of weld spatter may produce a false positive. 2. To achieve consistently accurate results with all ALT test equipment, A. Wear gloves when sampling. B. Wash your hands before sampling. C. Avoid placing the sample discs on a surface. D. Calibrate the instrument in the field. 3. Fine cracks in the surface of a coating that rarely reach the substrate are called A. Cracking. B. Alligatoring. C. Checking. D. Blistering. 4. It is good practice for the NACE inspector to have instrument calibration certificates available. A. At all times. B. In the office only. C. In the field only. D. Only if the specification requires it. 5. In a non-convertible coating, the role of the primary solvent is to A. To make the coating flow out better. B. To dissolve the resin. C. To promote faster cure. D. To control the evaporation rate. 6. Removal of weld splatter is required. A. On every job. B. When iso-abrasive blast standards are specified. C. When NACE, SSPC abrasive blast standards are specified. D. When specifically identified in the owner's specification. 7. Common errors that may produce inaccurate readings when using a dial-type magnetic pull-off dry filth thickness (DFT) gauge include: select all that apply. A. Failing to determine the base metal reading (BMR). B. Rotating the dial too fast when taking measurements. C. Taking measurements too far from the edge of a surface. D. Measuring ditty, tacky, or soft films. 8. Conventional spray is a good choice when A. High production rates are required. B. High quality finishes are required. C. High transfer efficiency is required. D. High viscosity coatings are being applied. 9. Which of these tests uses a syringe? A. Sleeve test. B. Potassium ferricyanide. C. Bresle patch. D. Soluble salts meter. 10. Using SSPC Vis 1 as a guide when performing a visual inspection of a steel surface prior to surface preparation, a NACE inspector would assign which designations to the surface condition? A. Rust grades AD. B. Surface conditions e.g. C. Rust grades 1 to 4. D. Surface condition H.